Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to make this white chicken boneless karahi. So let's begin. For the ingredients, I have 5 tablespoons double cream, 2 lemons squeezed, 6 tablespoons yogurt, 2 tablespoons green chili, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon white pepper and half teaspoon black pepper. I also have 1 kg of chicken boneless. Add double cream to the boneless chicken. Yogurt. Squeezed lemon, and then my other spices. I mixed well. I'm now going to put some cling film on top and then put it in my fridge. You can put it in your fridge for 5 to 6 hours. For me, I'm leaving it overnight. The chicken is marinated. I'm now going to put it inside my pan. Add half cup of oil. And let it heat up. Cook for 15 minutes. The oil has separated. This means the chicken is cooked very well. I'm now going to add green chili and coriander chopped. And I'm going to dish it out. I've dished it out and it looks mouth-watering. This is very easy to make and takes only 15 minutes. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.